Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and discuss what's happening with it. Right, so before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends of the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with the zero at the end. Right, just a sec. Right, you can click this link in my bio to get on my YouTube channel where I post Bitcoin update and weekly plans. And you can join my Telegram group by clicking this link here, right? Unfortunately, my Discord group is closed and it'll remain closed for quite some time. But in the group, I do post a lot of setups like the ones that you see here, right? Today, I posted Luna classic setup, right? Hold up, yep, there it is. This was a setup that I posted in on my Twitter as well as on my Telegram channel, which obviously was a pretty good trade, right? So if you're interested in this content, right, like make sure to go ahead and join my Telegram group and give me a follow on Twitter. So when I do open the Discord group, you could just get it, right? So let's get into XRP and what's happening with it, right? Honestly, I was expecting the proof of not proof the power of three setup, right, was playing out pretty good for XRP. And even today, when I looked at this particular setup here, it was good, technically sound bull flag setup here, but the price seems to have gone in the opposite direction, mainly because of the CPI announcement. And yeah, and I think we're going to continue going lower at least until we retest the midpoint of this particular run up at 0.336. But other than that, if you look at the 1-day chart of XRP, you can see that the 0.381 level has been pretty significant. After multiple attempts and rejections and failure, the price has come down, and it is kind of in this massive ascending triangle, and we're currently getting rejected off of this resistance cluster extending from 0.357 to roughly 0.360. And now that the price is coming down, we are currently hovering around the 0.34 intermediate support level. Beyond that, we have this support cluster here extending from 0.331 to 0.334. So I feel like we're going to bounce around here for quite some time. And we could potentially from here go up to the high time frame support level here at 0.381. This is what I'm expecting. I expected it to happen after we broke out from this cluster here, but it looks like we're going to take some time. And honestly, it depends on what Bitcoin is going to do, right? Like for now, Bitcoin looks extremely bearish, but if the bearish trend continues, the macro bearish trend kickstarts again, then I feel like all of this is going to be invalid, in which case you can expect XRP price to kind of break this inclining trend line and retest 0.30. Beyond that, we have below these lows, there's a ton of liquidity that hasn't been collected. So the price could go liquidity hunting below the 13th July swing low at 0.301, followed by the June 18th swing low at 0.286. So this is what I think of XRP, and it mainly depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. If Bitcoin's going to start consolidating again and sort of crashing like it is right now, then I feel like the altcoins have a chance, and I feel like even XRP has a chance to kind of make a run at 0.381 again. And the rejection from here would make a lot more sense than rejection here, followed by a breakdown of this inclined trend line. So that pretty much sums up my take for XRP. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.